Hi, today I'm part of Motorola Moto G72 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. After that click to internet section, and to activate Wi-Fi we should tap once on the switcher. After that we'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter the password, and to see this password we should click here on this checkbox. I'll just make it auto screen. Just after that, to connect, click here connect, wait a second, and now we can see that we just successfully connected to this network. After that you can see all saved networks, so all networks with the password on your device, and after that you can switch between them. For example, if you'll have the slow internet connection, just to turn on the Wi-Fi you should click here on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first you should open notification panel shortcut, then tap here to internet. To activate or turn off the Wi-Fi you should click here on the switcher, and after that just select the available networks here, or just click here to see all, and we can see the same just Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.